Well, hello everybody. This is John from Hallmark Homestead. I'm just going to give you a little update on something we're trying out this year for the first time, and we're super excited about it. This is what they call a silage tarp. And for those of you that don't know or unaware of it, it is a 6 mil, fairly thick bit of plastic that has black on the upside, the top, and then white underneath. Pretty neat. And the theory behind these things is actually fairly simple. The black attracts heat from the sunlight, helps to warm the ground up really nice, and all of the dormant weed seeds that are in your top layer of your soil there will begin to germinate and will begin to rise up. But because there's no sunlight, because the sunlight is blocked, they soon die. So it's a way of creating a stale weed seed bed. So pretty neat. A lot of folks, I know Greg and Travis always talk about them on Haas Tools, and I love that YouTube channel and their whole company, and I order a lot of stuff from them, so check them out. But yeah, so silage tarps, great ways to eliminate weed pressure. But I tell you, one awesome thing that I am hoping works out well, and I'll have to update you guys often, is will this dry out the land so I can get in there and plant my early crops? Here in Alabama, North Alabama, we've had so much rain. The Tennessee River is almost up to the bridge there at Wilson Dam. It's crazy how much water we've had. So I'm hoping by putting this tarp out here, of course, it'll be a little wet, but I'm hoping that it'll block enough of that rain, enough of that wetness, to where I can at least get in there and get things like my potatoes and mustard, rutabagas, radishes, some of my earlier stuff started, to where that first farmer's market in April, I want to show up with a full table just flowing over of early spring, late winter type crops. Around the edges you can see I've just got some rocks out, and I've also got some branches off the trees, just anything I can use to weigh it down. And of course, now that it's rained, the puddles of water are helping to keep it down. But yeah, I'm excited to see how much it dries out the soil, and very excited to see how this works, because hopefully if this works out well, I can go to an extreme minimal till or even no till. Who knows? I guess I could say that the sponsor of today's video is my good buddy at work, David Clemens, and I'll try to tag him on this when I share it to Facebook. He's just a good friend, a good buddy, and he every year he'll come by and visit the farmers market, of course. And instead of doing the Patreon thing, he just prefers to just give us cash. So he just donates to the farm every year. And with his donation, I was able to get this silage tarp, which is a 50-foot by 32-foot silage tarp, custom fitted for my garden. And it was not cheap. So I appreciate Dave for doing that. He's a good friend, and I will definitely be hooking him up with vegetables this year. A lot of people have donated. If you'd like to do that, you can do that if you're local. I've had some people give me money or send me money on Facebook and stuff. But if you aren't local and you want to support us, just go to www.patreon.com/Hallmark Homestead, and you can give us a small monthly donation. That won't cost you more than a cup of coffee. Wow, it's raining. Y'all hear that? There it is again. Good thing I got that silage tarp. Hey guys, about to start another flat of seeds for this week, and this time I'm actually going to do an entire flat of something, probably collards or broccoli or something. But I wanted to show you guys this. This is ProMix. ProMix. It's a product of Canada, and it is a great medium. I'm going to start using this stuff all the time. It is available at HaasTools.com, and one of their bags, I think, will do 2 big trays of stuff, but man, I went ahead and got the mother load. I filled this whole tote up here with it. Man, it's great. Peat moss, I think perlite, vermiculite, all that good stuff. And a bunch of other goodies in there. Man, that's some good stuff. I can't wait to use this and see how it how it does. Guys, that's really all for today. Thank you for joining the video. Thank you for watching it. If you like what you see, hit like, and make sure you hit subscribe too, and the little bell icon. That way you can kind of keep up with us and see what we're doing. Because even though it's February, this thing has started rolling pretty good. So appreciate it.